Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into essential Python web security, a crucial topic for any developer. Let's get started.
Absolutely. I'm particularly interested in how this article tackles the OWASP Top 10. Are they all covered?
Yeah, the article claims to address all 10, although it doesn't delve super deep into each one. It emphasizes a holistic approach, focusing on security as an ongoing process rather than a one-time fix. That's a key takeaway.
Right, a defense in-depth strategy. Multiple layers of protection. Makes sense. But what about the practical advice? The article mentions specific Python packages, right?
Totally. It strongly recommends using the cryptography package for standard cryptographic algorithms, and SQL Alchemy's string encrypted type for encrypting data at rest. For Django, there's Django encrypted model fields. It's all about using established, well-maintained libraries.
I see. And what about preventing injection attacks? That's a big one on the OWASP list.
The article highlights the dangers of directly including user input in queries. It advocates for using prepared statements to prevent SQL injection, and Python libraries like Pydantic for data validation. Smart stuff.
Good point. It also mentions zero-trust architecture. How's that handled in the context of Python web apps?
The article suggests frameworks like OpenZD for implementing a full application-level zero-trust approach. It emphasizes not assuming internal traffic is inherently safe, a crucial shift in mindset.
Interesting. So beyond specific libraries, what are some overarching principles the article stresses?
Absolutely. The principle of least privilege is huge, granting only the necessary permissions. Deny by default is another, blocking access unless explicitly allowed. And of course, never storing passwords in plain text. That's a cardinal sin.
Yeah, I agree. The article also talks about using key derivation functions instead of simple hashing, right? To avoid rainbow table attacks.
Exactly. And it emphasizes the importance of two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's all about layering security. Plus, regular updates of Python, the OS, and dependencies are crucial, keeping everything patched.
Got it. What about tooling? The article mentions several tools, doesn't it?
Yes. It recommends pip audit for checking dependencies for CVEs, bandit for common security vulnerabilities, and rough for linting and static analysis. It's a whole ecosystem, and it stresses the importance of integrating these tools into CI/CD pipelines. Automation is key.
I see. So a combination of best practices, specific tools, and a security-conscious development process. It's a comprehensive approach.
Precisely. And remember, security is a journey, not a destination. Continuous vigilance is essential. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.